Okay, let us discuss some of the questions related to this section. So, what we are going to find out, percentage of composition or concentration of the solution, concentration of the solution in terms of percentage. Today we are going to discuss mass by mass percentage only, otherwise you will be confused. So today I am going to discuss the first equation questions, how we have find out the concentration of a solution in terms of mass. What's the formula? Mass percentage of a solution is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Okay, the first question. All of you read the question along with me. A solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. All the questions today I am going to discuss is the direct questions. So no need to worry that. So all are direct questions. A solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. So I told you, whenever you get a question, read twice and write the quantities it is given. So what are the given quantities here? A solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. What is the 35 gram? It is solute. It is common salt. Where it dissolved? In 300 gram of water. 300 gram of water. It is not solution, it is solvent. So we have to identify that. It is solute and it is solvent only, water. How we get the solution? While mixing these two, solute and solvent only, we get the solution. It is not given it is a solution. It is dissolved in 300 gram of water. Dissolved in. That means in 300 gram of water, 35 gram of common salt dissolved. In the question, in the equation, how we are finding out the equation? So both are given in terms of mass. So we use the first formula, mass by mass percentage. What is the equation? Concentration of the solution is equal to, or you can write percentage of percentage composition, or you can write mass by mass percentage. Anything you can write. So anything means these three terms. Either you write concentration of the solution, or you can write mass by mass percentage, or percentage of solution. Okay, so what is the formula? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution. So noted that it is mass of solution. What is given? Mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. So we have to do some other, we have to find out the solution value also. So what are the given quantity? Mass of common salt, that is 35 gram, it is the solute. Then mass of the solvent, that is mass of water, that is 300 gram. In the equation it is mass of solution. We know that the solution is the sum of solute and solvent. Solution is the sum of solute and solvent. While we are mixing the solute and solvent, we get the solution. So we can find out the mass of the solution as mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent, that is 300 plus 35, it is equal to 335 gram. Understood? So how you find out the mass of the solution? Why we are finding out the mass of the solution? Because in the equation it is given mass of the solution. So we have to find out mass of the solution. How you find out the mass of the solution? Adding mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. We get the mass of the solution. Now straight away we can put it in the equation, or we can express in the equation. What's the equation? Concentration of the solution is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So 35, that is the mass of the solute. Solution that we find out 335 into 100. So while you are doing, you can find out the answer as 10.45%. Understood? So read the question, find out what are the quantities given, and identify the quantities are sufficient to our equation. If it is not sufficient, find out the other solutions to that particular equation. Here it is not given straight away the solution mass, so we find out the solution mass, then we substitute in the equation. We got the answer. Next question. So while we are doing one or two questions, you will understand this type of equations and questions. Next question. A solution has been prepared by dissolving 5 gram of urea in 95 gram of water. What is the mass percentage of urea in the solution? Once more, a solution has been prepared by dissolving 5 gram of urea in 95 gram of water. What is the mass percentage of urea in the solution? Okay, it's same as we have done in the first case. So what are the given quantities? We know that both are given in terms of mass. So we use the first formula. What is the formula? Mass percentage or concentration of the solution. Okay, so what is this? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So which are the quantities given? Mass of urea. Mass of urea means it is the solute, 5 gram. Next, it is dissolved in 95 gram of water. So it is a solvent only, not solution. Mass of solvent or mass of water, 95 gram. Okay, so it is not the solution mass, it is only solvent mass. So what to find out the next one? Find out mass of the solution. How you can find out the mass of the solution? Adding the mass of the solute and the solvent. So 5 plus 95 is equal to 100 gram. Okay, so now substitute in the equation. What's the substitution? Mass of urea or mass percentage or mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Can you give the answer straight away? What's the answer? Yes, you got the answer. What is the answer? 5%. It is not gram, 5%. Okay, so what's the answer in this question? 5%. One more question we can discuss. To make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. What's the concentration at this temperature? So first of all, look what are the given quantities. 36 gram of sodium chloride, it is solute. Dissolved in 100 gram of water, it is solvent. So here also we have to find out the mass of the solution. So what is mass of the solute? 36 gram. Mass of the solvent? 100 gram. How to find out the mass of the solution? 36 plus 100. So 136. So substitute in this equation. Mass of the solute 36. Mass of the solution 100 plus 36, 136 into 100. What we get is 26.47%. 26.47%. So hope you understood this. I will give you more questions as a homework. Okay, so try to see this video 1 or 2 times, then find out the answers in your rough notebook. Afterwards you can straight away write in your notebook after giving the notes. Okay, so hope you understood. I'm going to wind up today. Thank you.